Hi. So this is for NDA aspirants. For those who have got our books, I believe that those who have ordered on, let's suppose 16th, 17th or maybe up till 20 might have received the DCA current affair booklets till now. We have got the SMS that booklets has been delivered. Fine. Now when you open up the envelope, you might be getting around 2 booklets, right? And you might be frightened, okay, how to cover that? Because I got SMS from at least 2-3 guys how to cover that quickly. So मैं आपको तरीका बता रहा हूँ. So what actually you need to do so that you can maximize the benefit from this booklet, since you are concerned about the current affairs section, right? So there are around 572 questions, not a big deal. Don't worry about this number. चिंता नहीं करना इस नंबर का, right? Questions in the form of a brief explanation. How to cover that? First thing, read down the question. Don't try to cram. Just read it. Look at the options and the explanation. We have a brief explanation, 3 to 4 lines or maybe 2 lines explanation for that particular question. Just go through that as you go through the newspapers, right? So when you go through the newspapers, you just turn the page and you can see some headlines, you can see some words, stats, and that is in your mind. Whenever somewhere you look at this, it will be reflected. जब आप उसको एग्जाम में देखोगे पेपर में, that data will be reflected, that options will be reflected in the exam hall. आपको ये बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना है कि you have to cram it. No, you don't have to cram it. Just go through that. आप 2 घंटा लगाओ, एक रीडिंग हो गया. अगले 2 घंटे में सेकंड रीडिंग, maybe second day, not the consecutive one, maybe second day. That is going to help you, right? 2 readings are required. Explanation we have to study in brief, but we don't have to study कि X ने Y को कितने मार्जिन से हराया in the particular tournament, ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन में या मलेशियन बैडमिंटन चैंपियनशिप में. You don't have to do this, right? ऐसा नहीं करना. बस अपने को देखना है कि okay, he was the winner, he is the runner up, that's it. You don't need to cram exactly. Even if you remember the titles or maybe the prefix name, that is also going to help you out, because in exams options will be there, and whenever you have options, that will click in your mind. So there is nothing to cram. It's just the simple 2 readings that is going to get you a score minimum 6 plus correct out of the 10 assigned current affair question. Maybe it is 11 as well. Next, एक काम करना, since you all have that hard copy, right? So those who got the booklets, you have the hard copy. We have given you printed copy. You need to have a highlighter or maybe the pencil. If you don't have the highlighter, underline it. If you feel okay, what is the theme of, let's suppose science day theme, underline the theme, because generally nowadays they ask the theme of the particular day, yoga day theme, right? So you have to, biodiversity week theme, you have to remember this is, go through it. Whenever the option is there, it will click in your mind. You don't worry about that, right? Last but not the best thing is that when, let's suppose I covered 1 to 100 question, let's suppose I covered the first 30 page of the booklet, I will ask some of my family member, right? Because अभी तो lockdown में तो दोस्त तो होंगे नहीं, there is no friend, right? You can ask your family members, maybe your junior brother sisters or maybe elder brother sister, या जिसको भी आपको ठीक लगे, ask them कि please hold on this, ask me some question. उनसे बोले कि question पूछे और आप बोले कि ऑप्शन दो. जैसे ही वो ऑप्शन देगा आपको ना, I think B, I think C, do it 2 times. आप उनको बोलो, अगर 50 में से 30-35 भी आप सही कर रहे हो, मतलब आप सही जा रहे हो, you are going great. ये काम आप जरूर करना. This is very important. Ask to ask. The only key to current affair is that ask your relative to ask you. That is relative मतलब फैमिली मेंबर जो भी आपके साथ है, ये जरूर करना, वरना आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा, आपको लगेगा कुछ याद नहीं है, राइट? दूसरा, आप ये बुकलेट्स आप अपने एग्जाम हॉल से बाहर भी लेके जाएंगे. अगर आपको नर्वसनेस हो तो आप देख लेना, बट आई बिलीव कि इफ यू फॉलो दिस आस्क टू आस्क मेथड, इट विल हेल्प यू. आपका करंट अफेयर मिनिमम 6 बोल रहा हूं. लास्ट टाइम इट वाज 9 आउट ऑफ 11 फ्रॉम द बुकलेट. सो आई फर्मली बिलीव कि 6 तो आएंगे ही आएंगे. भगवान ने चाहा तो ज्यादा भी आ सकते, बिकॉज आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं, हम भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. तो आई विश और आई बिलीव कि अगर आप मेहनत करते हैं तो ऊपर वाला आपका साथ देता है, राइट? लास्ट एक और काम आपके लिए, दोज हु ब्रैग, जिन्होंने हमसे करंट अफेयर बुकलेट लिया है, यू हैव दोज बुकलेट्स. वी विल बी हैविंग 2 करंट अफेयर टेस्ट, 2 टेस्ट ऑफ 50-50 क्वेश्चंस करंट अफेयर्स आपके लिए होगा, ताकि आप चेक कर सके. एंड दैट विल बी कंडक्टेड आफ्टर 2 सितंबर, राइट? ताकि आप तब तक पढ़ लें. एंड मेरी तरफ से विश, एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि ट्राई टू फिनिश दैट करंट अफेयर बिफोर 29th और 28th ये कर लें आप, एक दिन में 3 घंटे लगाइए, आपको खत्म हो जाएगा. इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू एंड यू विल फील दैट कि चलो 6-7 क्वेश्चन तो हो गए, साइंस के इतने हो गए, एंड दिस विल गिव अ इनर कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यस यू आर रेडिंग फॉर द एग्जाम. एंड यू नो दैट कि मेनी ऑफ द पीपल आर स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर द एग्जाम टू कैंसिल. देखो, दैट थिंग इज नॉट योर और माइन हैंड्स, राइट? वी हैव टू कीप ऑन गोइंग. वॉट एवर द गवर्नमेंट फील इज वेल. आपने हमने एग्जाम देना है. They are making all the arrangement. You don't need to worry about that. Please prepare well. There are hardly few days left, right? Start. Don't stop. आज से लगिए, आज ही के आज आप खत्म कर लीजिए एक बुकलेट. Thank you. I hope this will help you to score much in your exam. So that's why I follow ask to ask approach. All the best.